Can you believe that a tiny seed, often dismissed as just a harmless snack, can actually become a superfood that protects your heart health, prostate, sleep quality, and immune system for adults over 60? Yet this very seed, if consumed incorrectly, can silently cause bloating, weight gain, dangerously low blood pressure, and even worsen your existing conditions. I'm talking about pumpkin seeds, those little green powerhouses that are often overlooked but contain surprising medical secrets that even I, with more than 20 years of experience in senior healthcare, find remarkable. In today's video, I, Dr. Emily Carter from Senior Health Zone, will take you deep into the world of pumpkin seeds, from their science-backed benefits to the hidden risks that few videos mention, and then reveal who should avoid them, how much is safe to eat, and finally, the best storage methods to preserve their nutrients. Comment right below this video. Do you usually eat pumpkin seeds as a snack, or mix them into your main meals? I'll pick some of your comments to give personalized advice. And stay until the end, because I'll reveal one simple yet powerful tip that could completely change the way you enjoy pumpkin seeds safely and effectively. Are you ready to uncover the real secrets of pumpkin seeds? Let's begin right now. First, let's talk about the incredible health benefits of pumpkin seeds for people over 60 in the United States. Don't let their tiny size fool you. Just 30 grams of pumpkin seeds contain over 5 grams of protein, nearly 5 grams of fiber, along with magnesium, zinc, and healthy unsaturated fats, all essential for a body that is entering the aging stage. Studies show that magnesium in pumpkin seeds helps regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke, a major concern for many older adults. For men, pumpkin seed extract has been proven to improve symptoms of benign prostate enlargement, BPH, reducing nighttime urination and improving sleep quality. For postmenopausal women, lignans and antioxidants in pumpkin seeds are linked to a lower risk of breast cancer and better bone health. In addition, tryptophan in pumpkin seeds is the key to producing serotonin and melatonin, two hormones that stabilize mood and promote deeper natural sleep, something many adults over 60 often lack. Particularly for patients with type 2 diabetes, research has shown that adding pumpkin seeds can help lower post-meal blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. So, with just a small handful of pumpkin seeds each day, you can boost essential nutrients to protect your heart health, support your prostate, improve sleep quality, strengthen your immune system, and maintain long-term vitality after 60. That is why I call them one of the hidden superfoods of aging well. When it comes to pumpkin seeds, many people think the more you eat, the better. But this is the most common mistake I see in adults over 60. A study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, 2019, revealed that consuming too many pumpkin seeds can cause digestive problems, including bloating, abdominal discomfort, and diarrhea, due to fiber intake exceeding the tolerance of the aging body. On top of that, just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds, about 30 grams, already contains nearly 180 calories. If you snack on them carelessly, it can easily lead to silent weight gain, especially in people with limited physical activity. Another risk often overlooked is excessively low blood pressure. According to a report from Healthline 2021, pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium and unsaturated fats that can lower blood pressure. But for patients who already suffer from low blood pressure or are on heart medications, this becomes a health hazard. In addition, data from RxList shows that pumpkin seeds may interact with lithium, altering its excretion and leading to dangerous accumulation in the blood. Some people also experience rare allergic reactions to pumpkin seeds. Reports from WebMD documented cases of skin rashes, nausea, and even shortness of breath after consumption. Moreover, if pumpkin seeds are eaten raw or stored improperly, you may face risks of contamination with Salmonella or E. coli, as warned by Medical News Today in multiple cases of foodborne illness. The most important point that many other YouTube videos tend to skip is the fact that not everyone should eat pumpkin seeds in the same way. For seniors, eating too much, at the wrong time, or without considering underlying health conditions can turn this so-called superfood into a silent threat. Therefore, understanding the risks and avoiding these common mistakes is the key to enjoying pumpkin seeds safely and effectively. Not everyone over 60 can safely consume pumpkin seeds. This is something I always emphasize to my patients. First of all, those with chronic bowel diseases, such as Crohn's or ulcerative colitis, should avoid eating pumpkin seeds with the shell. A study in the World Journal of Gastroenterology, 2017, found that hard-shelled seeds can irritate the intestinal lining, worsening symptoms like abdominal pain and diarrhea. Next are people with low blood pressure or those taking antihypertensive medications. According to Healthline 2021, magnesium in pumpkin seeds helps lower blood pressure. But for patients who already have hypotension, regular consumption can lead to dizziness, fainting, and a higher risk of falls. Another rarely discussed but very important issue is drug interaction. Data from RxList indicates that pumpkin seeds can increase water retention and interfere with how the body processes lithium, a psychiatric medication. This can cause lithium to build up in the blood, leading to toxicity. For elderly patients who are often on multiple medications, this is a risk that must not be ignored. Additionally, allergies to pumpkin seeds, though rare, have been documented by WebMD and Verywell Health, with symptoms including rashes, hives, nausea, and difficulty breathing. People with a history of nut or seed allergies should avoid them altogether. And for those trying to manage weight, remember that even a small serving carries a significant calorie load. Eat This Not That has warned that overconsumption can easily sabotage weight loss goals. So, if you fall into any of these groups, those with inflammatory bowel disease, low blood pressure, on lithium therapy, with a history of seed allergies, or needing strict weight control, then pumpkin seeds are not a safe choice. These are the red zones that many other videos often ignore. But for adults over 60, knowing whether you belong to these contraindicated groups is the crucial factor that determines whether pumpkin seeds are a benefit or a risk. When it comes to the consumption and dosage of pumpkin seeds for people over 60, the most important factor is portion control and choosing safe preparation methods. According to the American Heart Association, a reasonable serving for adults is about 28 to 30 grams per day, equivalent to a quarter cup or a small handful. This amount provides sufficient magnesium, zinc, protein, and fiber to support heart health, sleep quality, and immune function, without adding excessive calories. For men with benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH, a study published in Urologia Internationalis, 2014, showed that consuming 5 grams of pumpkin seeds daily, or 480 milliliters of pumpkin seed oil, significantly improved nighttime urination and overall quality of life. Meanwhile, for those struggling with poor sleep, research in the Journal of Medicinal Food, 2005, demonstrated that tryptophan in pumpkin seeds boosts the production of serotonin and melatonin, and just one small spoonful before bedtime can naturally improve sleep quality. The optimal way to eat pumpkin seeds is to lightly roast them at temperatures below 76 degrees, 170 degrees, without adding salt or high sodium seasonings, in order to avoid raising blood pressure and to preserve nutritional value. You can sprinkle pumpkin seeds over salads, mix them into oatmeal, add them to yogurt, or grind them into smoothies. Healthline cautions against eating raw, untreated seeds due to the risk of salmonella and E. coli contamination, which makes gentle heat treatment the safer choice. A common mistake is eating pumpkin seeds right before a main meal. This often causes a feeling of fullness and interferes with the absorption of other nutrients. Instead, it's best to use them as a mid-morning or evening snack when the body needs an appropriate boost of energy and fiber. And remember, for people over 60, the key is not just eating pumpkin seeds, but eating them in the right dosage, at the right time, and in the right combinations to maximize benefits and minimize risks. When it comes to pumpkin seeds, many people focus on nutritional benefits but forget a crucial factor: proper storage. For adults over 60, consuming moldy, rancid, or contaminated seeds can lead to food poisoning, digestive upsets, and may even worsen existing conditions. According to Medical News Today, 2020, pumpkin seeds are rich in unsaturated oils that oxidize easily and turn rancid when exposed to air, light, or high temperatures. This process generates harmful compounds that not only spoil flavor, but may also affect liver and heart health. To prevent this, Very Well Fit recommends storing pumpkin seeds in an airtight glass container, kept in a cool, dry place away from direct light. If you plan to keep them longer, store seeds in the refrigerator and use them within 1-2 months. For pumpkin seed oil, the Dr. Axe Nutrition Guide advises refrigeration after opening and using within 6 weeks to preserve antioxidants and beneficial fatty acids. Additionally, Healthline cautions against leaving raw pumpkin seeds at room temperature for extended periods due to the risk of salmonella or E. coli contamination when hygiene conditions are inadequate. One practical tip I often share with patients is to place a food-safe silica gel packet inside the jar to control moisture and extend shelf life. And always remember, if seeds smell off, taste bitter, or show discoloration, discard them immediately. These are signs of rancidity or mold. In short, pumpkin seeds are only truly a superfood when they're stored properly. Don't let a small mistake in storage turn medical benefits into health risks, especially for older adults with a naturally weaker immune system. We've now explored pumpkin seeds comprehensively, from outstanding benefits for heart health, sleep quality, prostate health, and the immune system, to the hidden risks of improper use, contraindications, and finally, the right dosage and safe storage. Remember, pumpkin seeds become a real superfood only when you use them scientifically and in line with your personal health status. If you found this video helpful, please like to support the channel, subscribe to Senior Health Zone for practical medical insights tailored to adults over 60, and leave a comment. When do you usually eat pumpkin seeds? Morning, noon, or evening? I'll personally reply with tailored advice. And don't forget to check the description for scientific references and a simple tip to help you incorporate pumpkin seeds into your daily diet safely and effectively. See you in the next video with me, Dr. Emily Carter, at Senior Health Zone.